Guys, my name is Lyric and this is the look for today. You don't believe me? It is the look for today, whether you like it or not. So stay tuned. Alright. Toodles, don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so I'm going to be filming the no mirror makeup challenge today, and I'm going to try to raise my voice because anytime I'm filming and I'm doing a talking video, Jonathan is sleeping. So I'm going to try to raise my voice. My hair is not combed. Bam! Okay, so it's not combed. Pull this back, I just ate. So I'm looking in my viewfinder and I'm going to switch my viewfinder around so I can see Jack. I'm kind of nervous. So I'm going to start by oh crap, I have to start my timer on my phone, because after 12 minutes my phone automatically times off. So I'm going to have that propped up there. Alright, so I'm going to fill my, I almost took up a mirror to look into it a while ago. I'm going to fill my brows in. Thank you, Jesus. So all along I've been trying to get this video saved. My look 4. Let me close this. My look 4, I had to take it down and redo it. And I've been redoing it for several times now. Hope I'm back in focus. I redo it for several times now and it just not working. You know what's going to be my main issue when when it's time to do straighten my brows, because doing my lips is easy. Alright, so I have a bunch of used dirty pencils, because let's be honest, take 2. I'm not going to even do this justice. Where's my thing? Ruby Kiss is level 11, and the pens I just used is by Air Woman. Oh my god, I wish I could see what I'm doing. Guys, I feel so stupid. I'm over here uploading for which, but have you guys been enjoying this? I think this is look 7 that I'm doing now. Yeah, because I have them organized. This is the first 2 looks that you saw, the glitter brow, and I think it's a 10-minute makeup one. Well, the glitter brow and the other one, the first September 1st and 2nd, I didn't do those. I just had those already done. I didn't do them for the challenge. Oh my god, I feel like I'm messing up my brows. I really wish I had a mirror. I feel like I'm messing up my brows. Alright, so I'm gonna stop doing my brows, guys. I feel like I'm messing them up. Alright, so now I'm not going with any primer because this is strictly for entertainment purposes, because I fully don't believe I can do this. Black Opal Carob. I don't know who came up with this. Why would you even think about doing something like this? Why? Like, what could you be thinking about to go, I'm going to do a no more makeup? What? Why? Why am I doing it? Why? Oh my god. So I'm fairly confident, and I hope I'm in focus. I'm fairly confident in my foundation skills, because yeah. But let's see what earring. Do you hear the car? So I'm still by my grandmother's house, you guys can tell by the background. When I'm back home, you guys are going to know like my background is gonna be lit bubble. But yeah, so I'm still by my grandmother's house now, and I I have to, like, the house is right on a corner, so you hear everything. You hear the children on the bridge, you hear the cars, you hear the girl across our man, you hear everything. You hear babies crying, you hear people cursing, like, you hear everything. So a lot of times as well, like if I do a video and I start by talking and then I have to cut to go in silent, something happening outside. Alright, to blend, I'm going to take my LA Pro Conceal in Fawn. Guys, remember when LA Pro Conceal used to run the place? Like legit run the place. Alright, this beauty blender is stiff, but I think to blend out. I just know my brows look like crap and I feel stupid now. I feel so stupid, like watching this clip and be like, girl, those brows. I just know my brows look like crap. Like my foundation and my low lights, sugar daddy. Like, I got this. This beauty blender is so stiff. So stiff. Alright, so we're at the 6-minute mark for my timer. When it gets to 11, I have to keep tapping it because it's going dark. So when it gets to 11, I'm going to stop the video and then start again. Oh my god. Okay. Oh guys, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat. And I know my classes aren't here because I'm pre-recording these videos, but for those of you who came out, thank you so much. You're hearing it first here. I will be having classes in December, and I'll be having them in Kingston again. I won't be coming back in, I won't be doing Montego Bay for a while, and my classes in Kingston for December will be my last classes for a while because I'll be going abroad next year and I'll be doing classes abroad next year. So what I want you guys to do is to just comment on this video where you would want me to come to the classes. The cost is going to be, well, it depends on what I'm doing for the class. I'm going to low light with or is it black walnut. It depends on what I'm doing for the class. If it's a 2-day class, it's going to run you like $297 for the 2 days. It depends on the prices. May have to adjust depending on where I have to rent. You know what I mean? Like, depending on the logistics of it. I just feel like my brows look like crap. So I feel like they look like right now. Using the underside to just blend out my low light. Alright, so yeah, so you're hearing it first here. I will be having classes in the US. I'd like to come to Florida first because I hear that Florida is what do I feel here on my face? What was here on my face? I care. Anyway, yeah. So I want to come to Florida first because I hear the weather is similar to out here in Jamaica, so it would not be that much of a culture shock. Really want to go back to Vegas, but I don't know if I'll be going back to Vegas for classes or just going back to Vegas to like hang with my friends. There's like dog hair. Ew. Then I'm going to go back and kind of blend over the highlight because sometimes my highlight not blended. I bet I look so silly right now. Oh, right here. You do hear the children outside? God, oh no, my phone lock. Alright, I'm at the 9-minute mark. So in a minute and a half, I'm going to stop this and then just click start again. And hopefully it's recording. I hope it's blended out properly. Alright, now I'm going to set, and I'm going to set using my Nye Banana Powder. Why does it keep locking off? Oh, thank you, Jesus. So this video can be uploaded. No. I'm not gonna call that. I just know my rose look like crap. Oh, you guys have to understand. I spend, like, on a bad day, I'll spend, okay, I guess it's at 10 minutes. I guess stop the video and start again. Where's the stop? Where's stop? Start. Okay, I really hope. Let me just put the phone back there so if I see the red light. I do not see a red light. I hope I'm in focus still. What was I talking about? I don't even remember. I'm ready to go right now. Ready to go right. Give me the green light. Are they talking about going away for classes? That's what I was doing? I don't remember. But yeah, so just comment below where you want me to come. And I'm sorry if I'm sounding very monotone. I don't like to talk in my videos. So I'm going to be using, oh my gosh, this has a mirror. But luckily this thing can pop out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's going to keep it here. So I'm putting it first where I didn't put my highlight. I'm so sleepy. Oh my god. This is so trippy. This is so trippy, you guys. Oh my god. I hope everything is blended out. Next I'm going to do my eyes. So I'm going to be using, gosh, shit, what's wrong with my laptop? Okay, so I'm going to be using the Nubian palettes because they ain't got no mirror in them. And I'm going to be using Madagascar, which is I can't believe I'm going to be doing a full eye look. By the way, did you guys see Nikki Tutorial's no makeup challenge? I'm like, bleh. I don't even look like that when I'm wearing makeup. Like, Nikki has some killer skills. All these brushes are dirty, by the way, because I have no confidence in myself that I'm going to go in with Jezebel. I have no confidence in myself to pull this off. So then I'm going to go in with Morocco. Do you guys see my mouth opening? Clean off a little bit and kind of blending. I can't even see what I'm doing. And then hey, let's go in with Layla, just to deepen that outside a bit. You guys are reading a full-on tutorial. Full-on tutorial, bro. And then for the lids, I'm going to be going in with, oh wait, there's a little bit of lash glue on there. I'm going to be going in with Sheba on the lids. And yes guys, I suck my tongue. Sometimes I have to edit out when I suck in my tongue in my videos, because if it's full on, I'm just like really? You are 30, guys. I'll be 31 on the 3rd of December. Oof, I'm trying to get this body right, because you know a sister is trying to look a certain type of way. Raw teeth among lash glue. Ah, Jesus Christ. Where's my lash? In my bag. I hope I'm in focus still in a God no. Lash glue and tweezers, of course. Like a regular girl has tampons, you know, deodorant, gum. Girl, I have a second makeup kit. I'm going to be reusing these lashes from that I got from Kawaii Wear. I don't put nothing in my brow bone, you know, and I do that deliberately because I'm afraid. How far? Oh my. Guys, this has been recording for a while now. Oh my god, like 15 minutes. I'm trying to clean off the glue from off the lash glue. And I will not be editing this video. Lord Jesus. Why am I so nervous? Alright, my phone going off. Hold on. It is what I'm filming. Okay, you know what, I'm just going to take what's on this and just run it on this here. Will it work? Does this thing really work? Guys, I feel like I'm boring you. Like my voiceovers have so much more hype in them than these talking videos. Alright, so I just shared lash glue because again, no confidence. Oh Lord, help me. Alright, let's do this eye first. Oh Jesus. I feel like we should be allowed to use mirror for the eyes. I don't even know. Oh my god, the thing not gripping it. Oh no, this comes too far. Oh no, no, no. Alright, this needs to go up some more here. Oh my goodness. This is horrible. Oh my god, I can see that the lashes aren't on properly. Like I can see that. Like when I look up, I see like the space. If you wear lashes, you know what I'm talking about. Wait, I think the time's supposed to up. Oh my god, time almost up. Alright, oh god, just a crap. I just know it. I'm going to do my lips now. And I'm just going to be using 96 Dollhouse Pink by Wet n Wild. Like I'm not worried about my lips, I'm not worried about my foundation, but my brows, like my eyes are my main issue. And now for the coup de grace, baby. How the hell am I gonna do this glow? You know what? Where's my stove? Okay, so I'm going to be going in with LA Glam. Oh, there's a mirror right there. What I want, ear? Oh no. I'm so afraid to look at myself. Hold on. My phone keep on shutting off. Shutting off. I just know look like. I just know it. Blush. This color. I want to pigmented enough. Oh my god, I look stupid. Okay. Let me. What I use for my powder. Yes, powder. I'm just going to blend out everything. Oh, I didn't line my eyes. My tummy hurting. My lashes are not on. Okay, I'm just looking at myself. I really hope I was recording all those other times because I thought I pressed record a while ago, but I didn't. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look like the lashes though. Like, do you see them? They're like, do you see coming off? They're not that bad. This is going under. What is this? What is this? Yeah, well, as I said, I wasn't worried about my foundation, and neither was I worried about my lips. It's just my eyes, man. Like, I mean, I did a good job underneath, but it's just when I got to the top, like, why is this one so thick? I kind of like that thick brow. Okay, I should try. I mean, it's not that bad. I'm very surprised. I thought it was going to look crappy. This is not that bad. Just my brows and my lashes and my eye makeup. Okay guys, so that's it for this no mirror makeup challenge. It's horrible. Don't do this if you want to live. Don't do this if you want to live. But that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to check to see if everything I was doing was filming right now. Bye guys.